Looking to supercharge your B2B sales and marketing efforts? Apollo.io is a powerful platform designed to help you find, connect with, and close deals with your ideal customers. Whether you're new to sales automation or just getting started with Apollo.io, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know, from prospecting to engagement and automation. Let's dive in. First, head over to Apollo.io and click Sign up for free. You can register using your Google, Microsoft, or email account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, where you'll see key tabs like Home, Search, Engage, and more. Take a moment to explore the interface. This is your control center for all things sales and prospecting. To find high-quality leads, click the Search tab. Here, you can filter by job title, industry, company size, and more. For example, try searching for marketing managers in the software industry. Use Boolean operators like and not to refine your search further. Save your search criteria to revisit later, or set up alerts for new matching leads. Next, let's create an outreach sequence. Go to Engage, Sequences, and click New Sequence. Choose a template or build one from scratch. Add steps like automated emails, follow-up calls, or LinkedIn tasks. Personalize emails using snippets like first_name or company_name. Apollo's AI writing assistant can even help craft compelling messages tailored to your prospects. Before sending emails, connect your mailbox and settings under Mailboxes. Set daily sending limits to avoid spam flags. For better deliverability, configure SPF, DKIM, and mark records for your domain. Apollo provides step-by-step guides to help with this. Always warm up new email accounts gradually to build sender reputation. Boost efficiency with the Apollo Chrome extension. Install it from the Chrome Web Store and pin it for quick access. When browsing LinkedIn or company websites, the extension reveals contact details and lets you save leads directly to Apollo.io. You can even enrich data or start sequences without leaving the page. Automate repetitive tasks using plays. Navigate to Engage, Plays, and click New Play. Set triggers, like a lead opening an email, and actions, such as adding them to a sequence. Use pre-built templates or create custom rules to save time and ensure no lead slips through the cracks. Measure success in the Analytics tab. Track email open rates, call outcomes, and sequence performance. Customize reports to focus on key metrics like reply rates or meetings booked. Use these insights to refine your strategy and improve results over time. Keep your data accurate with Apollo's enrichment tools. Upload a CSV file under Enrich to update contact details in bulk. Integrate Apollo with your CRM, like Salesforce or HubSpot, for seamless data sync. Set up job change alerts to stay updated on prospect movements. And that's it. With Apollo.io, you're equipped to prospect smarter, engage effectively, and close more deals. Ready to get started? Sign up today and explore the platform's free plan. For more tips, check out Apollo's help documentation. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.